Welcome to this lesson on quadratic equations. Today, we are going to master the standard form. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that you will see everywhere. So, what exactly is a quadratic equation? Simply put, it is a polynomial equation of the second degree. The most important thing to look for is the exponent. The highest power of the variable x must be exactly 2. If you see an x squared and nothing higher, you are looking at a quadratic. Here is the famous standard form equation. It is read as a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In this equation, b and c are just numbers we call constants, while x is the unknown variable we usually want to solve for. Let's break this equation down into 3 parts. First, we have the quadratic term, a x squared. This gives the equation its curve. Next is the linear term, bx, which acts like a straight line. Finally, we have the constant term, c, which is just a fixed number. There is one golden rule you must never forget. The coefficient, a, cannot be 0. Why? Because if a is 0, the x squared term disappears. Without x squared, the equation becomes linear, not quadratic. If we were to draw a picture of a quadratic equation, it would look like this. This U-shaped curve is called a parabola. Depending on whether a is positive or negative, the cup can open upwards or downwards. Let's try an example. Look at the equation, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. We can identify our coefficients easily. A is 2, b is 5, and c is 3. It matches our standard form perfectly. Sometimes, equations are messy. Look at x squared minus 4 equals 3x. This is not in standard form yet. We need to move the 3x to the left side by subtracting it. Now we have x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Notice that b is negative 3 and c is negative 4. Why do we study this? Because quadratics describe the real world. The most famous example is projectile motion. When you throw a ball, the path it travels through the air is a parabola, which can be calculated using a quadratic equation. Let's summarize what we learned. The standard form is a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It is always a second-degree equation. The number a can never be 0, and visually, it represents a curve called a parabola.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.